What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, you are most and highly welcome. So today I'm gonna be showing you what green tea and rice water alongside with some natural home remedy in it is gonna do to your skin when you use it at night. I mean, you wake up to see your skin, you're like, wow. Yeah, that's how you're gonna do. Okay, so if you want to know what the other ingredients is, please do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button and please share this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, follow me on Instagram. Now let's dive into the video. So look 5 to 10 years younger, we're gonna be needing rice. Okay guys, so I have 2 species of rice. You can see this is actually the foreign rice, this is the local rice, and the local rice is actually because it's not like washed very well, otherwise it would have been like this. There is not too much difference in. We're gonna be needing rice water for the skin, guys. Rice is a natural skin toner and it helps so much to leave the skin looking very smooth, radiant and young. So it would therefore help to remove wrinkles and fine lines. So now before we can get the rice water, I'm actually using the clean rice though. I have this. I can as well use this, but I have to wash it like 3 times before it could get like this. Okay, this is the difference. At first I'm gonna wash the rice, so you have to wash the rice to remove any dust, so it won't be as if you're actually putting more waste products onto your skin. So I'm gonna be sieving out that. So I'm gonna be putting in water, okay, then I would have to soak that and keep it, okay, so it can bring out the rice water. Basically that's what we need, the rice water. So I'm gonna be turning that. You're gonna notice that the color is going to begin to change, okay. Alright, so we're gonna set this aside first, and also we're gonna be needing green tea. Now green tea is great for the skin. Green tea helps so much remove wrinkles, fine lines, pigmentations and age spots. Okay, taking green tea internally is best for the body and externally is also best for the skin. Needing a little glass cup, we're gonna be pouring in warm water into the glass cup to the tea, so we can have the tea induce and give us the green tea color. Alright, so I'm gonna also keep this aside, guys, and I'll be right back when this 2 stuff has actually given us what we need. And then we're going to be making use of apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar is one natural skin toner that helps to bleach out dark spots. It removes pigment and age spots, and it therefore helps to leave the skin youthful, radiant. Now to prepare this, we're going to be needing tea tree oil. Now this oil is an almighty essential oil that helps to remove pimples, dark spots and pigments, and it therefore helps to leave the skin glowing, removing pigmentations. So you can see the green tea and the rice has actually changed its color. So what we're gonna do is to use this as a toner. Okay, now I'm gonna be sieving out the water of the rice into the green tea. Now you can actually like go dry your rice again. It's gonna be dry. Okay, now you put in your apple cider vinegar. So you have to put in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into this. Okay, then you stir it all up. Now what you do after this is that you're going to turn that into an airtight container like this. Okay, so then you're gonna put in your tea tree oil. Just some drop of tea tree oil will do the job. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's okay. Now cover that up and shake it. Your toner is ready, and now let's go. Let me demonstrate this and show you guys how you are gonna be using this. So guys, here is my natural toner and I'm loving it. Okay, so what you do is that you're gonna use this early in the morning, or you can actually use it in the evening. Whichever time you want to use this toner, it's gonna be lovely, like, and it smells really nice because of the essential oil that I put in it. It smells really nice. Okay, so this is how you're gonna use it. You can either use it with a cotton wool like this. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Okay, hold on, because I'm actually holding the camera with one hand. So this, that is one of, smells really good. That's one of the way in which you're going to be using the toner. And the next one is that you're just going to spray this over your face like this. Close your eyes and spray. Okay, so this is a natural toner, and okay, this is how it is. You can see how wet that is, my face. And you, after spraying, you can just, you know, leave it on, let it dry. Man, you are going to be loving your skin. It's been so freaking long I did this toner. The last time I did the toner and I was using it all through the week, like 2 weeks, was like last 2 years. Yeah, so I just remembered, oops, let me make a toner, and this is it. It is really nice. So how you're gonna store this is that you're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and it's gonna work like really nice, because when you actually get it out and spray it onto your face, yup, okay, it's really nice. Okay, all right. Get it into my eyes. Okay, perfect. So that's it guys, just spray that all over your face, and you're going to wake up to see that your skin is going to be so flawless and so glowing smooth. Okay, trust me on this, go try this out, because rice water is boom, green tea is boom, both in the body and on the body. It is very good. Okay, so if you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share the video. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless, and bye guys.